Hi everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing the Ambient LED for interior. Here it is. I have actually opened this up just when I got this yesterday. I bought this in AliExpress and this is from China, and I ordered this a month ago, and here it is. So let's get started. So I have a pen knife with me. I'm gonna be installing this onto my 2016 Mazda 3. Okay, well basically this is how it looks like, and this is the tube. Okay, basically it goes in like this, like so, and the light passes through here. The optic fiber tube goes in this hole here. Basically tighten up with a screw, and then you're good to go. All right, I think I'm and here's the module box. Let's get this installed. Right now I am making a pre-cut of the measurement of the tube for the door panel. So I've already made a measurement. So I'm gonna take my blade and cut it off. Next I'm gonna be measuring the interior. Now I am going to feed through my my connector into that hole right there. See that rubber grommet right down there? I'm gonna feed through the positive and negative of the control box. Let me give you a good view. I think you get the idea. So right there, basically I fit it through there. So you're gonna need some sort of a wire to feed through your connectors, and that should be good. There it is. I managed to get the connector pushed through the rubber grommet. Since I already have the connector, the power connector to the control box, and most probably I'm just gonna place it right underneath and run my bulb right there, and push it right outside on this grommet here. Basically it's gonna be clipped. I was planning to actually have my wire run through this grommet right here, and then push it run through here on the door, and that's pretty much my plan. So I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so what did I do? First off is, look at this one. I basically feeded in this bulb onto this rubber grommet. So what's gonna happen is, by the time I close this, it's gonna just basically look like that, and then I'll just probably just pin it here through like so. So my wire is gonna be exposed over on this side. However, it is sealed right here on a door grommet. So basically I disconnected it. I tried to fit it in this hole right here, but the wire is too thick. What's gonna happen is if I close it, I just won't be able to put this back in that hole right there. So this is the best solution I did. For the tube, I managed to find a small hole right here. So what I'm going to be doing is just basically cover from this end point up until to this end point right here. And I managed to find one, and I just basically push right through in. Flip it the other side. It's right there. I'm feeding the metal wire through there into this hole. If you can see that, into that, right through there, all the way to the other side. Here's the metal wire. So I'm going to fish the LED bulb from there all the way in here using this metal wire. Pull it out. done. Both the passenger and the driver's side and the head unit or the dashboard is finally done. What I'm gonna do next, I will show you the final product. As for the door, the cable door, I'm gonna vinyl wrap that side, and that way it's much better with concealment. And there you go. I'm gonna pan through, walk through how it's being done. It's very neat. The installation is neat and all that stuff, and should we go. Thumbs up.
Perfect.